Hello and welcome to our video on fusion, the process of combining light nuclei to form heavier nuclei and release a large amount of energy in the process. Fusion is achieved by colliding nuclei at high pressures and temperatures, allowing the positive charges to overcome their repulsive force and fuse together. The sun and thermonuclear weapons, such as hydrogen bombs, rely on fusion reactions. But what about using fusion as an energy source here on Earth? While fusion has the potential to be a clean and virtually limitless energy source, it is currently not practical for use due to the difficulty in achieving and controlling the conditions required for fusion to occur. However, research is ongoing to find ways to make fusion a more viable energy source in the future. So how does fusion create energy? According to Einstein's famous formula, E equals mc squared, a little bit of the mass of the hydrogen isotopes that are getting fused together goes into energy. But why doesn't the mass just stay as mass? It's because mass comes in discrete chunks, and if you add up the mass of a helium and the neutron that comes flying out in this process, there's a little bit of a difference. This difference is the energy that is released during the fusion process. But what about the dangers of fusion? While the experiment itself is not dangerous, the neutrons produced in a fusion reaction can react with materials they hit and produce low-level residual radioactivity. This means that fusion is not a completely clean technology and does produce some radioactive waste. So where are we in terms of using fusion as an energy source? While it is an overwhelmingly positive development, the hopes that it will be relevant for the human energy supply on Earth are still a long way off. The primary purpose of the National Ignition Facility, where much of the research on fusion is conducted, is actually for stockpile stewardship and understanding the physics of hydrogen bombs, rather than renewable energy. But that doesn't mean we should give up on fusion as a potential energy source. Research is ongoing to find ways to make fusion a more viable and scalable option, and it has the potential to be a game-changing technology in the future. Thank you for watching.